everyone, my name's Alan. Welcome to JA Autos. Hope you're all well. Got this Vauxhall Mokka just come in, sitting behind me, and I'm going to give you a walk round of this vehicle. It's a really lovely car, 2016. It's a 1.4 exclusive. Car's finished in a really lovely deep espresso. I think deep espresso, it's like brown. Metallic paintwork, looks gorgeous, especially in the sun, really does stand out. 41,000 miles, got full service history, full Vauxhall history. Bought it from the last owner. They bought it when it was 3 years old. I've owned it ever since. It's been back to Vauxhall every year. Great specification. These Mokkas come with front and rear park sensors, Bluetooth, digital radio, auto lights, auto wipers. Got loads of kit on them, so they do come well specced up. I'm going to walk around it, point out any imperfections I can find, let you see, and then you can make your own mind up. So we get around it and then we'll see what we can find. Right, so here we have our 2016 Vauxhall Mokka 1.4 executive. Wheels are all good, looks really lovely in this colour, deep espresso. Door edges are fine, bodywork is absolutely fantastic on this car. Wheels are all good, great amount of tyre tread on there, and a huge specification. I'd say front and rear park sensors. This is all nice in the rear here. Good sized boot. Always a sign of a lovely car when you've got a luggage or a boot protector in there, so the boot's not seen anywhere. Does have a spare wheel as well, which is not usual standard on them. I think previous owners have purchased that themselves. In here is the normal tyre compression kit you would get. Parking shelf, rear parcel shelf is here and all intact. Rear wiper, brake light and spoiler. Show you around this wheel. Very minimal chip in there. Tyres all look good on this car. Tiny little indentation there. And I'm being picky now, but that's my job. I'm going to show you the imperfections, if there are any. Again, this wheel, tiny little bit of paint fall out there. Wheel, tyre, front parking sensors. Bonnet's in really good condition, no real sign of chips on that at all. Shouldn't be with 41,000 miles. Like I say, it does have full Vauxhall service history. Now, the interior of the car, again, as is the boot liner, got the matting, all the mats around it. Does have automatic headlights. You've got 4 electric windows and electric folding mirrors, so they do fold in. Like I say, you've got auto lights and auto wipers. Let's get in, it'll be a bit easier. I will start this up for you, and as you can see, 41,553, full history, parking sensors, automatic stop start, air conditioning, you can't feel that, but that is coming out lovely and cold. Cruise control on here. Like I've said, you have auto lights, auto wipers. No, that's auto lights, auto wipers. That's your indicators. Let's get it right. So you've got automatic headlights here, automatic wipers, and of course your indicator and your computer. You have I'll show you that there, that will adjust. That's your trip computer, your onboard computer there. You have you have an upper glove box and a lower glove box, locking wheel nuts in there, so loads of storage in here. You do also have driver's armrest here, and more storage in there. You have USB, if I can get my hand in there, USB and AUX point, USB, AUX point and a power point there, so they're all there. Like I said, you've got digital radio there, Bluetooth for your telephone. We have 2 keys with this car. Let's turn that off. So absolutely fantastic condition inside, certainly not been abused. The rear seating, again, it's got the lovely mats in the rear, so the carpets, a bit dark in here, but the carpets are like new. Adjustable headrests, Isofix, rear seat belts, everything there as it should be. Do have the aluminium running bars on the top. So there you have it, the 1.4 Exclusive, finished in Expresso. This car is now on our website, it's available for you. We can offer finance, part exchange is always welcome. My name is Alan, please do give me a call, it'll be a pleasure to help you. We'll see what we can arrange for you if you need your finance or part exchange. Like I say, give me a call, 0208 641 6455, website jaautos.co.uk. Other than that, just one quick thing before you go, before you shut the video down, do us a favour, please give it a little thumbs up because it does help us, it's always appreciated. And other than that, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So have a great day everyone, see you soon, bye.